Today I'm gonna show you 6 local SEO tips to rank on Google very quick. Now I made a whole bunch of lists step by step and how to do it and why it matters. Watch this video completely till the end and you will get to know how to get my free SEO checklist so that you can start applying step by step. Now, if you want a one-on-one call SEO consultation, the link will be in the description. You can check that out. So with that being said, the number one strategy when it comes to local SEO is climb your GMB. Now, Google My Business, also known as Google Business Profile, is your storefront on Google. Now, if you don't climb it, you are literally invisible to local customers. Guys, understand this. Whenever people, search the near me keywords or best shop near me keywords, if you don't have GMB or Google Business Profile set up correctly, and they're gonna you're gonna miss out a lot of leads and customers, right? So what to do? Visit google.com/business, log into your Gmail account and search for your business name. So if there is any business name under if it is same business name such as you, then you need to go into more specific. So let's just say I have a business name called Make Money Raj. So if somebody is having business name on Google Maps like Make Money Raj SEO, then I would go more specific, Make Money Raj SEO consultation in a locality area, right? And if there's climate, now if you're actually registered and if you have all these trademarks and everything, you should claim it. So it also affects, like if you don't claim it, if not, create a new profile, but be very specific. Okay, verify your business via postcode, phone or email. So it's easy, you can do it. Now why it matters: it puts your business on Google Maps, enables reviews, helps you show up in local search results instantly. So this is what we need, guys. The #1 thing, now keep in mind, the 4th important thing which I'm going to show you is directly affects this local search results. So watch this video till the end. The second thing is you need to optimize your Google My Business Profile listing. Claiming isn't enough. Optimization makes your listing trustworthy, searchable, and also build up the authority. So what to do? Add high quality photos of your business, right? Whether it's a storefront, inside a team. Now adding a team members is a great way to build a connection. And also products. If you're offering services, take some pictures with your client. No, not maybe the clients. You can blur out the clients because they don't want to be seen. So write a keyword rich business description, right? So like optimize keywords, like what your business actually do, whether it's a salon business or whether it's a digital marketing services business. Like you need to mention your service and also what are the locations you offer. So set your business hours, keep them updated, and every once in a while make a little bit changes. Okay, so to just let Google know that your GMB is updating every while, and then choose the right categories, subcategories, add services, products if available, and post updates or promotions regularly, like running ads or maybe running campaigns or setting up, adding the banners and everything. Okay, why it matters? Google rewards complete active listings with higher rankings in local search results map packs, and also Google rewards update people who update every while and then. Okay, third one is get listed in local directories. Think of this as backlinks for SEO, like GMB. More listings equals more trust in Google eyes, which is why what you need to do is submit your business to local platforms like Yelp and Hot Frog, Yellow Pages, do Yellow Pages, like Bin Places. Use the same business name, address, and phone. This is called NAP, so I call this NAP. Like in local SEO, we call this name, address, phone, consistency. So I'm just gonna talk about it. So why it matters? Why the getting listed in local directories matter? These citations boost local visibility, create valuable backlinks, and improve map rankings. Okay. The 4th one we have use NAP, which is called, as I said, name, address, phone consistently. So Google checks your business details across the web, and inconsistencies will make not only customers but also Google to lose authority, right? So what you need to do, double check that your business name, address, and phone number are identical to all of your websites, and matching across all directories on social media. Like if you have a Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest, setting all the setup, Facebook business page, which you're running ads, of course, Instagram business page, then all the address, emails, contact info, it need to be consistent, same. Like if you want to change, then change change on every social media. Like be consistent, guys. Use local number, not a toll-free number. Okay, so this is also one thing which I advise to my clients when it comes to SEO consultation. Like use a local number, add NAP to your website footer, guys. Many people they just add a copyright thing, but not NAP, name, address, phone. But yeah, so why it matters? Consistency strengthens Google confidence in your legitimacy and authority, which means higher rankings. Okay, not higher rankings, but it will definitely boost. And then we have fifth one, which is really important: optimize for near me searches. So people search like salons near me, dentist near me, restaurant near me, gyms near me. Your goal is to rank for those. Now, main intent of the local SEO is ranking for best places and also near me keywords, right? So what to do? Include keywords like near me in your city or near me in your local service area, your service area. So just say Manhattan gym, Manhattan, dentist expert on your website. So you need to be optimizing for these keywords rather than going broad. Be very specific. You only need customers from a local area, not the whole world, right? Of course. Like if you rank, like if your business is in Manhattan or New York, and if you rank in, let's just say, Bali, Thailand, what is the use? Like people can't come to your business, right? Add these keywords in meta titles, meta descriptions, H1 headings, image alt text, write local content targeting nearby areas, embed a Google map on your contact page, or if you can also embed it in Google map on every blog post, even optimizing more. Okay, why this matters? This capture high intent local based searches that are ready to convert. Okay, now fifth one we have this is genuinely cheat code when it comes to local SEO. Like collect and respond to customer reviews. Now person who responds, who take any feedback, whether it's a positive or negative, and revert back, like acknowledge it, then it feels genuine, right? So reviews build trust. Like people, I think I see many cases like whenever I go to the Google map reviews, they're like people who are the business doesn't even acknowledge the comments or reviews. So reviews build trust and signal quality to both Google and potential customers, and is one way to build an authority. What to do? Ask happy customers to leave a review on GMB profile, create a short SL link, G-page your name pieces for review, respond to every review, positive or negative, as I said. Acknowledging both positive and negative builds even more trustable. Okay, use keywords in your responses naturally. Now, this one right here is a cheat code which I'm giving away for free. So like this video and comment, because I'm giving away. So why it matters? More reviews equals better local rankings plus social proof, which means you're active and updated. That gets people through your door, right? And if you want, I just made a whole table and checklist. There'll be a link in the description. Make sure you grab the checklist for free local SEO tips. And I'm gonna summarize right here. So climb GMB and get listed on maps, sign up, verify at Google Business. Optimize your GMB for clicks and visibility, add photo services, descriptions of post, local directories, build local authority, submit to top sites such as Yelp and whatever local listed directories you have in your area. Submit to top sites with exact NAP. If you change name, address, phone in future, then you need to change in local directories too. Okay, NAP consistent, near me optimization, collect reviews, and there you go. You have these 6 local SEO tips to rank on Google fast. So if you want me to consult you, there'll be a link in the description. You can check that out. That being said, catch you on the next one.